Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm Angela, or some people call me Adetola or Foodfeastuk. Welcome to my channel today. And I don't know if anyone has noticed, but the weather lately has been so hot. I think this summer definitely came with some sort of revenge or whatever. But today we're going to be making some Zobo, and it's a very refreshing drink. It's really easy to make. The ingredients are very easy to get no matter where you are in the world, and it's quite straightforward. So I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm using, and I'm going to show you the steps of me making my Zobo drink. I'm keeping it simple with the Zobo today. I've not got my vanilla flavoring, but I've got some pineapples and ginger to boil with the Zobo. I've got my sugar here, and I've got the Zobo leaves, or they're sometimes called hibiscus leaves or sorrel leaves. If you're in the UK, you can get them in any African shop or any Asian shop. So yeah, that's quite easy to get, and I'm just going to boil them together, and then I'll show you the process anyway. So I'll take us to the pot and boil them and see how it goes. Right, so I've got water up to 3/4 of the pot here, and I forgot to add earlier that I tend to wash my Zobo leaves. I just give it a rinse with cold water actually, so I don't know if I will call that a proper wash, but I tend to give it a rinse with cold water because I don't know, I just feel like sometimes I don't know what's going on with the cleaning process. So I've put this to boil, and I'll just add the leaves directly in, and I'll add the pineapple and ginger. I've cut them already, and I'll cover this and leave it. I'll bring it to a boil. So yeah, you can see obviously this has boiled enough because it's bubbling away, so you need it to boil to like up to about this point, and you've extracted all the juice from the leaves. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to sieve the leaves. Right, so I've got my sieve. If you've got a milk bag, I would say sieve with this first and then pass it through the milk bag, or just go straight through the milk bag. But I've got the sieve here, and what I'm going to do is, don't try this at home, kids. Anyway, just pour that straight through, and you strain out all the to be honest, that's basically it. That's why I keep saying that Zobo is so easy to make, and it will be really nice to have in this kind of hot weather. So I'll sieve that now, and I'm going to leave it to cool for a few minutes before I add the sugar in, because I know if I add the sugar, I like to add the sugar when it's warm and not necessarily fully cool, because the heat helps the sugar melt better and I don't have to keep stirring. But at the same time, if you add the sugar while it's still very hot, you don't necessarily taste the sugar, and you end up getting, like when it's fully cooled, you end up getting like Zobo that has loads of sugar. So I'm going to wait a few minutes for this to cool down, and then I'll add my sugar to taste. So the amount of sugar you add, literally it depends on you. So yeah, I will show that when I'm adding my sugar, and I'll just keep stirring, and it will still be warm, so that will help the sugar dissolve faster. Okay, now you can see it's cooler than when it was done boiling. So I'm going to add my sugar gradually and stir. And obviously the sugar you add is to your taste. So some people like the Zobo a bit punchy and sour. Some people like it really sweet, but just add the sugar to however you would like it to be. And I add it gradually so that I can stir properly and make sure the sugar incorporates properly. So I'll add and after the first bit, you can taste and see if it's okay for you. Yeah, I'm fine with that, and I'll just leave it there.